Boundary Brook Nature Reserve. It's a beautiful oasis, like a secret garden in the city. People often don't know about it, even though it's been around for about 30 years.
Our starting point was being planted by school children who are now, I guess, about 40 or 50 years old. Now we're trying to get as many trees to their full maturity, and not only the trees but also the understory, the shrub layer that's important to birds, the ground layer, the bluebells, the primroses, the wild garlic that you would expect to find in a woodland that's many centuries old.
We have a thriving wildlife habitat with a mosaic of high canopy woodland, shrubland and grassland, glades, meadow areas and freshwater habitats. This nature reserve, I think, couldn't thrive without local people being involved. I mean, it's for local people, it's not just for one group, it's for local people to benefit from. People are able to come here and find ways to reconnect with our natural ecology, whether that's through learning conservation skills or learning species ID skills, or just coming here in social groups and enjoying being together.
We've got a couple of volunteers this morning cutting hazel poles ready for hedge laying next weekend.
It's the idea that a nature reserve is a place of learning. It's nature's classroom. Come and experience what it's like to be warm, to be cold, to be excited by the wind, to see the leaves falling, to see the birds flying in the sky. And you get such a feeling of the presence and the heart and soul of nature in that moment.
We're hoping that this will set an example of ways in which you can do more than just have serried ranks of monoculture trees and actually create ancient woodlands.